So here is our room at Hilton Waikoloa. This is the Ocean Tower, room 8024. It is the top floor, and I want to show you what the room looks like. So as you enter here, to the left, you'll see that it does come with a full washer and dryer, and you can hang your clothes here. And as we come into a very spacious living room. So this is a 1-bedroom, and you do have a full kitchen here, 4-range stove with a microwave, dishwasher, a fridge, nice little table here, nice little wall decoration. And then you get here and you have the living room with a couch, and this couch can actually be converted into a bed. And going out here, you have a lanai, a nice little view in our lanai here as we open the door. See the mountains on that side, and up here you can see a nice view of the ocean. All right, so moving back in, so we're walking through here, a little alleyway on here. Show you the closet, typical closet with some robes that you could use, and a pretty nice bathroom here. It's the sink, nice little shower, separated one for number 2, the toilet, and you have your little bathtub here. So that is our bathroom, and now the master bedroom. So it's separated by a door here. So it's great for a family actually. Some could stay in the living room. You can stay here with your spouse or significant other. We have a nice king bed, and from this king bed, nice view to the outside. And going back to that same view on the outside, so just adjacent to where we were earlier, you can view of the outside, and you can see the ocean out there. So that's our little quick tour of the Ocean Tower in Kona, Big Island, Hilton property in Grand Waikoloa. All right, y'all have a good one.